Hello, gearheads and craftsmen. Samaditech is here to help you upgrade your workshop. Dive into our hand-picked collections of tools and discover the perfect gear for your upcoming project. The PiBurn rotary nozzle is a game-changer for laser engraving machines. It's specifically designed to streamline the engraving process and enhance precision. The tool features an all-metal construction with a sleek design and high-quality motors that stay cool even during long hours of use. It includes adjustable rollers and a built-in clamping system for a secure grip, preventing any slipping. It's user-friendly, easy to set up, and compatible with most laser engravers. Ideal for engraving cylindrical items like cups, glasses, tumblers, bottles. It comes pre-assembled with either standard or magnetic feet, ready for immediate use. The super handy mini chipper makes yard and garden maintenance much easier. Powered by a robust 7-horsepower, gasoline-powered, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, it efficiently chips branches, limbs, and garden waste up to 3 inches thick. With a large hopper and efficient shredding system, it handles high volumes of material, turning them into useful mulch. Its compact design includes a vertical discharge chute with an adjustable guide, allowing precise control of debris output at angles between 90 degrees and 145 degrees. This versatile chipper is ideal for forestry, gardening, landscaping, and green waste recycling. It's also effective for creating fire breaks. Say goodbye to inconvenient paint jobs with the Graco Ultra Cordless Handheld Paint Sprayer. This tool is perfect for small surfaces and projects that demand high mobility and quick spraying. It delivers flawless airless coverage at any speed, efficiently atomizing up to 1 gallon of paint per fill. A precision pressure regulator ensures consistent atomization without pressure drops. Quick setup lets you start spraying in no time, and the easy clean design cuts cleanup time to just minutes. The cordless sprayer runs on the DeWalt lithium-ion battery system and works with any 18-volt hybrid air compressor battery. The Roberts Economy adjustable knee kicker is the perfect tool for stretching and tensioning carpets during installation. Built with heavy-duty aluminum castings and powder-coated industrial steel, it offers exceptional strength and durability. It features dual locking pins that allow for easy length adjustment between 19 to 23 inches. Its high contour neck design ensures smooth maneuverability. The adjustable depth dial is clearly marked, making it simple to set the piercing depth for different carpet types and sizes. This tool is user-friendly, making it ideal for both novice installers and seasoned professionals. With this organizer, you'll have all your essential tools within reach when you need them. It's specifically designed to fit on a standard 3.5 to 5-gallon bucket, making it easy to store and transport accessories. Made from high-quality polyester, the waterproof and durable bag is both lightweight and strong, with a capacity of up to 33 pounds. It features 41 triple-row exterior pockets and 10 interior pockets for optimal organization, plus 2 loop straps to hold hammers, drills, crowbars, and longer tools. The design is both stylish and practical, perfect for any workspace. Astro Onyx gear is built for heavy-duty tasks, delivering 250% more cutting power than standard air saws. It effortlessly cuts through mild steel up to 1/4 inch thick, making it an ideal choice for demanding jobs. This air saw is compatible with universal 1/2 inch shank saw blades, and can also use reciprocating saw blades, enhancing its versatility. It's widely utilized in automotive, metalworking, and other industries where precise and efficient cutting is crucial. Powered by compressed air, this tool provides speed and accuracy, ensuring professional-grade performance. Fluent Power Cordless Water Pump is a handy multi-purpose tool for draining water from rain barrels, ponds, or pools. Powered by an 18-volt battery, its strong 90-watt motor delivers a maximum flow rate of 530 gallons per hour and can pump water up to 65.5 feet high. The 3/4 inch outlet easily connects to sprayers or standard garden hoses for versatile application. It's simple to install, providing 2 bars of water pressure and can be submerged up to 6 feet deep. Equipped with a convenient timer, it can be set for 5, 10, or 15 minutes of continuous operation. The battery compartment is well protected by a sealed cover, and built-in overheat protection ensures safe and long-lasting use. Milescraft Euro Hinge Jig makes it easy to install concealed hinges with precision. It features 2 adjustment screws for accurate positioning of the hinge cup hole relative to the door edge, while a pin sets the exact top or bottom distance. A metal drill guide locks securely, ensuring the hinge cup is perfectly level. The jig also has built-in guide sleeves for pre-drilling holes in 4 common positions, supporting proper hinge alignment for smooth door closure. Included is an 11/16" drill bit for guide holes, with depth stops on both sides for the 35mm bit. A removable marking guide transfers hinge locations to the cabinet frame with ease. The hole cutting kit includes drill bits ranging from 1 5/8 inches to 8 inches in diameter and a 1 1/8" bit, ideal for cutting holes for recessed lighting, speaker installations, or vents. This durable and user-friendly set makes overhead drilling a breeze. The smart design features an ABS plastic guard with a rubber gasket to keep the workspace tidy while drilling. The kit is stored in a portable toolbox with a convenient handle. It can be easily used with both benchtop and handheld drills, and is suitable for a variety of materials, including wood, aluminum, composite panels, plastic, rubber, drywall, plaster, hardboard, fiberglass, chipboard, plywood, and MDF. Works Cordless Circular Saw is a highly versatile tool, perfect for cutting wood, plywood, laminate, and plastic. Weighing just 3.8 pounds, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle with one hand, even in tight spaces. Powered by a 20-volt battery, the brushless motor provides 50% longer runtime, 25% more power, and 10% greater durability than standard motors. Its 3/8" blade design offers a slimmer, more agile cut, ideal for precise slitting, plunge, and bevel cuts. Additionally, a dust vent keeps your workspace clean, making this saw an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Sunfire Radiant Heater delivers powerful infrared heat to industrial areas up to 3,500 square feet. With an output of 150,000 British thermal units, it offers the highest performance among portable fuel-fired radiant heaters. It operates quietly with minimal noise and emits no odor or smoke. Thanks to its efficient fuel consumption and a large 19-gallon tank, it can run for up to 19 hours, continuously using diesel, kerosene, or fuel oil. Precision calibration ensures zero carbon monoxide emissions. Constructed from durable steel for long-term reliability, it features compact design and flat rubber wheels for easy mobility. Safety features include an on-off switch for emergency shutoff and a built-in flame sensor that continuously monitors fire quality.